You know, the journey of 2 hours can be done in 20 minutes. अब तो इंडिया ने ना सुनना, they're not willing for it anymore. You know, the journey of 2 hours can be done in 20 minutes. As in, you wouldn't even believe it. मतलब, like, who would have thought something like this was possible? And आज, मतलब, नवी मुंबई से मुंबई तक और गोवा से मुंबई तक और बैंगलोर से मुंबई तक, when all the journeys made so easily and with such amazing infrastructure, makes me feel proud.
जब वर्ल्ड के बाकी हेरिटेज साइट्स हम देखते थे तो लोग कहते थे कि इंडिया में ऐसे स्ट्रक्चर्स हो ही नहीं सकते, इंडिया का इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर इस लेवल का हो ही नहीं सकता, इंडिया नहीं बना सकता। तो अब हमने ये कर दिखाया अटल सेतु।
हाँ जी।
तो वर्ल्ड हमको क्रिटिसाइज करता है, उस पर क्या कहेंगे?
अब तो इंडिया ने ना सुनना, they're not willing for it anymore. So I think now at least India is not stopping anywhere. Nobody is saying it's not possible in India, ab ho nahi sakta, or you know, it's impossible for India. Nobody's like, look at our country grow. Like, it's freaking brilliant the way in the last 10 years the country has grown, and you know, the infrastructure today, the planning in our country, the road planning, everything is just brilliant. So I think now it's the hard time.
इंफ्रा का कोई ऐसा काम होने में पहले दशकों लग जाते थे, ये सिर्फ 7 साल में बना है। तो जो टाइम
हाँ जी, yeah, मतलब I just got to know अभी कि it's all done in 7 years and it's what 20 kilometers. It's amazing. Like, look at it. It's I'm speechless honestly.
ये जो इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर का डेवलपमेंट है, बहुत तारीफ हो रही, पूरी दुनिया भर में इसकी बात हो रही है। भारत के लोग तो इसको एंजॉय कर ही रहे हैं, लेकिन दुनिया भर में अब लोग इसको बड़े सम्मान की नजर से देख रहे हैं। क्या कहेंगे आने वाले समय में इंफ्रास्ट्रक्चर डेवलपमेंट के बाद कैसा काम करे? मुझे
लगता है कि अभी the young generation, the young India is growing at such a fast speed, and it's the young generation, as in India is the smartest country, I would like to say. I take pride in it, and I think like it's something that the young Bharatiya, like, they have to vote, and they're being very responsible now. And it's no more that they're getting influenced by, you know, whatever you say. People are actually seeing. People are being very responsible. People are being very smart about it. And I think they're headed the right way. As a young Bharatiya, to all of you, from this majestic architecture, or the majestic infrastructure, Atal Setu, विकास और डेवलपमेंट रुकना नहीं चाहिए। विकास और डेवलपमेंट के लिए वोट करिए।